Okay, hey guys, it's Keeper. We're here with N Cubes. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, he said hi. We're here at the competition.
He's literally recording while we're going to the bathroom.
We're going to the bathroom.
Why are you
always
It's like the worst time to record.
There's ping pong tables. We don't have any ping pong.
I love we're just walking through this. Like
we're at this really big school for the Dallas thing.
They have like 5 gyms. Like what the heck?
What the heck? They have like 12 gyms. Look at that. Okay. Look at this. They got some fancy stuff. We're walking around in some hallways. We're really scared.
The school is pretty cool school. And I love there's an upside down board. Hello, friend. Oh, I thought I was gonna say hello from the other side.
Hello from the other side.
You're bad at singing stuff.
I know. Sing your song. Robotics.
Bro, this school is...
N Cubes. Random person. Thermometer.
It's not a thermometer. Stupid.
Whatever that is.
Thermostat.
The thermostat. Your mom's stat. Where's the... We're back. We're gonna go judge. Say hi. Okay, stop. We're gonna go judge.
Oh, you got robbed, dude. Literally robbed. What'd you get? 4.873. Nice. Danny? Well, that was the biggest.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna work, but okay.
I'm ready.
I've never seen it. 8 seconds.
Nope.
That's good, but that is the coolest looking skew. Where did you get a sickerless skew?
Skewb card. Skewb, need to write that down here.
Okay.
Alright. Squeeb.
Squeeb.
Squeeb. Alright, man.
I'm ready.
Never seen stickless skew before in my life.
Really?
8 seconds.
Alright.
That's alright.
I got a 40.
You got a 40?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's rough.
There we go. Oh, okay. I'm ready. Oh no.
You should flip the lens so that you can run it from the other direction.
Oh, I should. I'll do that next time.
Next time.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Much better.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Okay.
Don't shake the table.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Nicholas Grant. Nicholas Grant.
8.
Nicholas. What the fuck?
Okay. I'm ready.
Landon Smith. Landon Smith over here, please. Sorry, we had to move you over here. It's all right.
Alright.
Hector.
People looking
Yeah.
away in the middle of your stall.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. And ready.
Okay.
Okay, we have.
Alright. I'm ready.
Eight.
Galton had Caleb Schwarber and Nicholas Bastos.
25, 7, 8, 8.
8 seconds.
Nicola.
Face inside of the bowl. And he like licked the bowl. We're quiet because the line's going on right now. Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture of it. Whatever. Ginny, do it. Oh, that burger. Juicy. Juicy. Yeah. Eat your food, Ginny. Go wild, Ginny. We're gonna make it vomit. Ginny can't take it. It's too funny. You're so funny. Stuff your face in the bowl again. Sorry. Okay. I feel like he's either laughing really hard or feeling really sad. Okay, I think he's laughing. I'm so laugh. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. What the? Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, that's not even,
That just.
not even
I'm ready.
And a few more over here. Jeff Park, Aaron Webster, Eric Miller, Jason Brown, Isaac Chavez,
8 seconds.
Hector Trio, Trey Shankar, and Presley Everett.
I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
Bailey Barnes? Alright, I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, you got it this time, man. Tell me when you're ready.
Alright. Yeah. Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, man. Good luck.
Alright. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. The competition was really fun. I got a few cubes. I didn't get a, well, I got, the cubes I got at the competition were a Dying 2x2 and I got my Yushin signed. And right now you can just see like me scanning over my score, my times. And you can see on 3x3 I got a 16-16, which I'm pretty sure is a PB. But other than that, the competition was really cool. It was really, yeah, cool. And I got to meet up with LT Cuber, and I was there with N Cubes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I broke all my PBs except for Pyraminx, because yeah, I'm not the greatest at Pyraminx. But yeah, alright, that's pretty much it. Expect more videos to come in the future, and I'll see you all next time.